If you're a heat and air conditioning technician, how do you work through with your homeowner the mistakes that you've made when you're making a repair or diagnostic or even a tune-up? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Bell, coming to life for HVAC technician and sales secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and business and a fantastic day to talk about you. Today, we are going to talk about you making mistakes, which you do and so do I, okay? So here's what happens. It is always either the hottest day of the year, the last call of the week, or the most inopportune person to have a mistake with where you make mistakes. Whatever reason, the universe opens up and goes, today's your day, buddy. So I want to let you know there are ways that you can work through this. So I gave you nine different things, 9-step sales process for you to work through. So one, don't make anything up, right? It is not to your favor. Your brain's going to tell you, oh, I need to cushion this. Don't make anything up. Take the lumps, okay? So just remember, do not make anything up. Number two, pause for a minute. Take some time. Think through what's going on. What caused it? What led to it? I can think of times where I've broken circuit boards, let the blue genie out of models, motors, broke drain lines, let refrigerant out, blew up compressors. Like, wait a minute, what led to this? Was I just working too fast? Was something else done? Was something else going on? Did I not look and make sure that it wasn't a sketchy situation, that I wasn't being set up? Because occasionally homeowners do that. Not all the time, but occasionally they do. Then number three, here's what you do. You go to your vehicle, right? Go to your vehicle, you make some notes, and you start calling warranty, you start calling parts warehouses, and you get the management in the loop, okay? Because you're going to need this. I'm going to give you the specific order for a reason. There is a very super important reason that you do it this way, okay? So one, don't make anything up. Two, pause for a minute. Three, go to your vehicle, get the situation figured out. Now, the reason I'm saying this is if you go and have the conversation with the person you are going to meet with and don't have answers, don't have things ready to do, they are going to freak out. They are going to not be as pliable, let's say. Okay, now here's the thing. If you want to be better at sales, you want to be good at what you do, you should absolutely join my email publication, hvactechsecrets.com. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not the YouTube channel. It's an email publication. You get emails from me. You will love them, okay? Number four, go and explain what happened. Give the facts. Hey, got to your home, was working on the equipment, took a look, stepped through the ceiling. Got to your home, took a look at the equipment, let the blue genie out, okay? Now, at that point is about the time that they're going to freak out, and this is where you're going to, in conjunction, say, and here's what we're going to do about it. Now, a lot of technicians, a lot of people, what they do is they go out there and they say, hey, we got a problem, and explain the problem, and the person freaks out because they're like, you're not taking care of this. You're not doing what needs to be done. But if you've made your warranty calls, if you've called the dispatch, if you've called your backup plan, if you've called your manager, people are already in the loop, okay? So you're going to explain what happened. And then number five, you're going to explain what you're going to do. Hey, here, going to give you the situation, was working on the equipment, let the blue genie out of the model, the motor, bottle, I keep saying bottle, motor, and here is what's going on. We've got a new one being overnighted from said location to here. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is going to bring some space heaters. I've already put the management team in position to know what's going on, and here's what the situation is. And you're going to see the person go, but I'm still mad and I'm still angry. Okay, that is normal, okay? And especially if it's somebody that the company's had problems with and issues with before, that is always the house that the thing happens. So number six is you let them vent. You let them vent. You let them let it out, let it go. They may scream and yell at you, okay, right? They may tell you that they're frustrated, okay. They may tell you that they're disappointed, that happens too, okay? Number seven is get them comforted, get it solved. It's probably going to take 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes. If nobody ever give you that timetable, there you go. 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes. Most of the time, 10. Occasionally, 30. Okay? Number eight, go back and make the repair. And make sure that everything's okay. As this process is going on, you're going to want to like really over-communicate with the office and say, hey, just to confirm, Parts Warehouse has ordered the motor and it's coming in from Chicago. Just to confirm, the Parts Warehouse has ordered the circuit board and it's coming in from LA, right? We've got a tracking number. We've got a data number. I'm going to be let known as soon as the part comes in. We are going to dispatch And so here is what happens too, is you can't set the expectation that just because it's going to be overnighted, that it's going to be there in time. I have had a part that was stuck in overnight for 3 months. 3 months. We had a tracking number. We had the number from the manufacturer, and they're like, yeah, it's in the air. 3 freaking months for a specialty motor. Like, it wasn't the standard RPMs. It was like 731 RPMs. It was a weird situation. So like, you have to be aware that just because you say, hey, listen, this thing's going to be overnighted, we are going to get it in as soon as possible, it might be the day after. And you know, I don't understand. Like, hey, look, just because they get it doesn't mean it's going to be ready and staged. Be patient, be calm. And then number 9, number 9. Like, I've been through school. I got like that. There's 9, right? 9 fingers are. Check in after the fix is made. Go by, drop by, make a phone call. But be aware that you make mistakes. I make mistakes. I laugh at them most of the time. In serious situations, I don't laugh at them because people don't find things funny when it's a serious situation. Ask me how I know. But be aware that, like, hey, we're all humans. We all make mistakes. Nobody's got perfect uptime. It's not possible in any part of business, in any part of the world. You have to be able to have the conversation. So let's recap. Don't make anything up. Pause for a moment. Go to the vehicle. Make some phone calls away from the homeowner so that you can get everything presented the way it needs to be done. 4, go back and explain to what happened. 5, explain how you are going to do it. So 4 and 5 are 2 things. Broke it is number 4. 5 is here's how we're going to take care of it. 6 is let them vent. 7 is take care of and comfort them. This may take some time. 8 is go back and make the repair. Bring somebody if needed. And then number 9, check in after the fix is made. There you go. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here. Just 1 of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.